I look in vain on the morning train, hoping for a chance to meet. But there's been no sign on the 5 to 9, just another empty seat. One less friendly face around the place, no more walking conversation. 'Cause on your white, no more lights at Lansdowne Road Station. So farewell to the girl from Eastern Coffee. She brightened the day, kept the clouds at bay, but she wore no more beside me. So farewell, God bless, there'll be one cracker less at the Zurich Christmas do. Her hair's been through some colours, but her eyes were always blue. Oh, there's still Martin Crowe, Paul Crocken too, but they're no substitute for you. It's a long, quiet journey in since you departed. Now I hear them say there's a half-hour delay. Yes, you've left me broken darted. So while I wait for a fix here on platform 6, I'll recall your eyes are blue. So farewell to the girl from Eastern Coffee. You brightened my day, kept the gloom at bay, but you walk no more beside me. So farewell, God bless, I hope you see success in everything you find to do. Your hair's been through some colours, but your eyes were always blue. Now many stars